Let's look at the old Auto-Tune plugins compared to the new Auto-Tune plugins. Alright, we're gonna try the old version Auto-Tune from Antares and compare that to the latest version Auto-Tune from Antares. Let's do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe, and don't forget, let me know where you are watching me from. Alright guys, we are in FL Studio now. We're gonna use these vocals together with this beat. Alright, first thing first, let's route the beat to mixer track 1. Then we're gonna route the vocals to mixer track 2. Go to the mixer track. Next thing we're gonna do is to detect the key for the beat. If you don't know, what you're gonna insert is auto key, and this auto key we're gonna listen to the beat and tell us the key. So let's solo the beat alone. All right, so you can see D minor or F major. So we're gonna try the very first one, which is D minor. Let's go to the vocal track, enable it. Then for the old version Auto-Tune, I'm gonna use Auto-Tune EVO. Alright, that's pretty simple. Then try the very first key, which is D minor. D minor, let's set the scale to minor, change the key to D, push the routine speed all the way up. Then guys, humanize it a little bit, change the input type to low mil. Next thing I'm gonna do is to create a channel, guys. Then we're gonna give it a color, choose this, call it reverb, hit accept. Then we're gonna use the Valhalla vintage reverb, then cut off some of the low ends a little bit. Then what we're gonna do is to route our vocals to this particular reverb. All you need to do is to click on this, then click on this send button here, and it's gonna send our audio track to the reverb track here. Now you can hear there are a lot of reverb, so we're gonna control by playing with this knob over here. Then we're gonna EQ the reverb a little bit, just drag this particular knob a little bit down. Alright, now let's listen to this Auto-Tune on our vocals.
She falling for me, she say love Mr. Badman. She says she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mom papa. They can do this poly man, stick to me, she no need no one. But they can do this poly man, but she say she love me. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Badman. She says she no like no drama. I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mom papa.
That's great. Alright, let's try the next key, which was F major. F major on the old version Auto-Tune. F major, change the scale. F major, listen to this one too.
She falling for me, she say love Mr. Badman. She says she no like no drama. I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mom papa. They can do this poly man, stick to me, she no need no one. But they can do this poly man, but she say she love me.
I'll prefer going for the D minor.
She falling for me, she say love Mr. Badman. She says she no like no drama. I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mom papa. They can do this poly man, stick to me, she no need no one. Oh, they got this poly man, but she say she love me.
Alright, so this is an old version of Auto-Tune. Now, moving on to the next old version Auto-Tune, which is Auto-Tune 8.1. Then guys, change the scale to D minor. Alright, push the routine speed all the way up because this artist is good in singing. Change the input to low mil. Listen.
She falling for me, she say love Mr. Badman. She say she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mom papa. Oh, the guy did this polyman. Stick to me, she no need no one. Oh, the guy did this polyman, but she say she love me. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Badman. She say she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mom papa.
That's pretty simple, guys. So now moving on to the new version of Auto-Tunes. We're gonna use Auto-Tune Artist. Alright, so this is a new version of Auto-Tune from Antares. Change the scale to minor, the key to D, push the routine speed all the way up, and you can see this one is super simple. The interface is simple to use. Alright, then give it a little bit humanized, change the input type to low mill. Now guys, listen to this.
She falling for me, she say love Mr. Badman. She say she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mom papa. Oh, the guy did this polyman. Stick to me, she no need no one. Oh, the guy did this polyman, but she say she love me.
That's pretty simple, right? Then the next latest Auto-Tune on the list, we're gonna use Auto-Tune EFS Plus. Alright, so this is also a new Auto-Tune from Antares. Then the input type low mill, routine speed, push it a little bit up, humanize it a little bit. Alright, so let's listen to that on our vocals.
She falling for me, she say love Mr. Badman. She say she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mom papa. Oh, the guy did this polyman. Stick to me, she no need no one. Oh, the guy did this polyman, but she say she love me. She fall.
That's pretty simple. So guys, the old Auto-Tunes versus the new Auto-Tunes in the market, which one are you going for? I think the old versions are no more available on the Antares official website, so you can click on the link in the description box and visit the official website of Antares and go for these new versions. Alright, if this video helps you, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Now that you know these Auto-Tunes, watch the next video to know how to use Auto-Tune to create unique vocals without wasting much of your time. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.